So you're struggling with holding Google Meets or Zooms at your house because you have kids and they keep interrupting all your meetings. You want to be a great teacher, but you also want to be a great parent. Well, I'm going to show you some methods that truly work. Now, if at the end you like this video, please like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel. It will be greatly appreciated. Introduce puzzles. My daughter loves puzzles. She loves the satisfaction of completing them, and she'll stay super focused and quiet until it is done. Removing one puzzle piece will keep her busy looking for it and also teach her the valuable lesson that some things are better left undone. While she struggles with the concept of imperfection, you can teach your students valuable lessons on your Zoom or Meet.
There one more piece to it.
Well, just keep looking around, Cora. You'll find it eventually. Role-playing a career. Teaching your child a career is invaluable. Teach them to be dedicated and not to complain when things get hard. This will make it easy for you to have your Zoom or Meet.
Mr. Armstrong, why is it so quiet in there?
Because it's career day. STEM projects. Kids love solving problems through fun. Your kids will have to use their problem-solving skills to get a snack. The fewer the tools and the harder the task, the more time you can dedicate to your Meet or Zoom. Nothing like being Jigsaw in your own version of Saw. Okay, Cora, in order to get your snack, you need to use that tape, a whisk, and a spoon to get that Nutri-Grain bar off the ceiling. The quiet game. The quiet game is an age-old classic for keeping kids quiet. This only works for so long until she is as loud as a yodeler in a cave. You have to put something of value on the line. Whenever she makes a peep, that little tablet gets a little closer and closer to the water. Pretty soon she's just putty in your hands. You don't hear a sound, and that's the perfect situation to have a Meet or Zoom. Bike helmets. When all else fails, use a bike helmet. Sure, they'll be unsupervised in another room. One kid might be diving headfirst into the wall. At least you will protect them from CTE later in life.